Life can feel like a jungle, wild, loud, unpredictable, and full of things trying to pull you off your path. Every day you wake up and fight through noise, pressure, expectations, and people who don't understand the vision burning inside you. But 10 years from now, your world can look completely different. Not because life magically changed, but because you refuse to stop moving. You don't need perfection, you don't need permission, you don't need to have every step mapped out. What you need is the courage to take the next step, even when the ground under you feels unstable. People will doubt you, people will talk, people will disappear the moment things get difficult. Some will pretend they never believed in you, some will act like they never knew you. But their fear, their insecurity, their small vision, none of that belongs to you. You have a mindset built from struggle, from lessons, from survival. You've walked through storms that would have broken someone else. You've carried weight that others never even saw. You've been alone in moments when you needed someone the most, and still you kept going. That's strength. That's character. That's the kind of fire you can't teach. You see opportunity where others only see obstacles. You feel the responsibility of your future, your family, your name. You know deep down that quitting is not an option, not for someone like you. Live your life with intention, because one day you'll realize nobody is coming to save you. Nobody is going to walk your path. Nobody is going to carry your dreams. Nobody is going to fight your battles. Some people stay. Some people leave. Some only show up when you're shining. Some only clap when the world is watching. But you know who's real and who's just waiting to see if you fail or succeed. Your heart is stronger than you think. Your past isn't a prison, it's a blueprint. Every mistake taught you something. Every setback sharpened you. Every sleepless night built a version of you that refuses to break. You've been knocked down, but you stood back up. You've been underestimated, but you kept proving them wrong. You've been tired, drained, overwhelmed, but you never let the fire inside you die. And that's why your future is different. That's why your story hits harder. That's why your journey matters. Oh boy, if you only knew how far you're going to go. If you only knew the doors waiting to open. If you only knew the people you're going to inspire. If you only knew the victories that are already written for you. Your future self is watching you right now, proud, grateful, thankful that you didn't give up when things got heavy. So keep stepping, even when it's slow, even when it's painful, even when you feel like you're walking through darkness. Keep building, brick by brick, day by day, moment by moment. Keep believing in that fire inside you, the fire that refuses to die no matter how dark it gets. This is your time, your story, your life. And nobody, absolutely nobody can stop you. Not the past, not the doubt, not the fear, not the people who left, not the people who talked. Not the people who never believed. You are built for more. You are built for greatness. You are built for the life you keep dreaming about. And the world hasn't even seen your final form yet.